Well, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing this Whitehaus collection Fireclay sink from Italy. And I wanted to show this because I found a lot of stuff on the internet about them. So a lot of people are getting these to replace the old cast iron farmhouse sinks that like utility style. These hang on the wall. So I want to just kind of show you how it's packaged. It came, first clip you saw, it's kind of rolling up on a pallet, but I cut all that black plastic off of here and opened up the primary box, and we got another box. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to cutting on this one. I made that cut there, and show you what's inside and how it's packaged. Okay, so here is the specs on it, in case you guys are wondering. 42 inches wide, 21 inches deep, 16 inches high. And when you flip it up, it's upside down. So I can't really see it. So now I gotta muscle it out of here. Go to wide. It's solid Fireclay, and just upon initial inspection on the back side, it looks pretty good. Thing is a beast. Some sort of skew down there. So let me flip it if I can, and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh man, this is exciting. This is very stout, very, very heavy, and very nice finish. You can see it's like a very nice enamel baked, almost looks like porcelain. Very similar to the cast iron, but it's definitely I think the finish is nicer. Plus the good side about this is you're not going to get the rusting problems that cast iron is going to give you, and it's thick. Like the walls on this, if I can flip around here, you can see there's a lot of reinforcement on all the stress areas of the sink. Yeah, it's at least 1/2 inch to 3/4 everywhere. Here, probably a 1/2 inch, a little less on the face. So there it is on the back. You got a hole up here. I still have to look at the mounting methodology and figure out how to do it. And since we're building the wall from scratch, I'm going to go ahead and reinforce it probably with a 2x10 or 2x8. I do have some 2x12 laying around. I might put a 2x12 in the wall and then tie the wall back with some bracing. But yeah, let me flip it around on its bottom and I'll show you the top down view. Okay, here it is. I'd say it's more like maybe 100 pounds. I don't know. At least it doesn't feel, it's not hard to move around. It's just awkward. But there it is, drain board. It's got nice ribbing to it. Nice flange. Looks just really nice. It's gonna look really, really good, and I think in that room. So yeah, guys, that's the Whitehaus 42-inch utility farm sink Fireclay. It's made in Italy. I didn't look at that skew closely. I think it says Italy on the back. I'm not sure. Like that. But yeah, there it is, guys. So thanks for watching. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and get you in the next video. Later.